Welcome back to part 2 of the balaclava tutorial. Now here we are with my rows, and I did, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I did 9 rows of double crochets, 1 double crochet in each stitch, so that's 9 rows. And now to measure the eye part, okay, so what you want to do is chain 2, and you're gonna double crochet in each stitch until you get to the 21st stitch. Okay, so now we're at the 21 stitch. Okay, so now that you did your 21 double crochets, you're gonna chain 20 and then stretch it out until it can't go no more, but don't like force it, just stretch it as far as you can and slip stitch into the next stitch. So I'm going to show you what that looks like in a second. Stretch it out, it's going to go right about here. You can either slip stitch it into the stitch or do a double crochet into that stitch. I'm going to do a double crochet into that stitch right there. Okay, so that's what it looks like once you do that. So when you put it on, this will be where your eyes go, like that. And you're going to continue to double crochet till you get to the end of that row. Okay, so now I'm at the end of that row. I'm gonna slip stitch into that first double crochet that was at the beginning of the row. Okay. Chain 2, And now we're gonna do the same thing we did in the previous rows. We're gonna double crochet, put 1 double crochet in each stitch across the row, and we're gonna keep doing that for as many rows as we would like until we get the length of the balaclava that we want. So we already have the eyes. That's gonna be where the eyes go, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after a while. And yeah. Hey guys, I also forgot to mention, when you get to the row with the eyes, you have to double crochet in each of these stitches that you made going across. If you're not able to get your hook into these stitches, you can just double crochet around it until you get to the other end of it. But me, I'm gonna crochet into these stitches. So just bear with me as I do this, and you guys will see what it looks like once I make it to the other side of this part. Okay, so this is what it looks like once I got to the other end of that row. And yeah.